jumping? Are you gonna jump?
You can't jump.
Are you jumping?
How the fuck does he get up there?
No, but is it a good view?
How are you getting down?
What are you doing? Get bombed!
Okay.
Look, Liam, the rain's in there!
Look, my mum is going to ring me when she gets home, and then she'll probably drop Tiago's stuff off at yours.
It still works in no way.
Okay, then. After we go out, then we can just go straight to
Record him, then you can get him.
If she don't bring Tiago.
I'll record him, Dame.
I'm
fucking dying.
maybe not with my You're a tramp. I got black all over my face. Yeah.
Oh my
You're a fucking tramp.
Yeah, but anything. Oh no, I'll take a picture here. Honestly.
I'll do it,
Do you want to see you?
No, because I
You look proper not good. Yeah, I'll be
Oh, come here, no. Get it all off me, Callum.
It's gone. You got it on this side now. It's gone now. No, it's fucking like you look like you got a black face.
Lick it off. You like you've been good.
Say off.
Oh, Uncle Liam. I think that's it.
Looks
alright, but it's still there a bit.
I'll take a picture of you.
I don't want you to take a picture of me. This is right. Okay.